Welcome back, guys. So in the previous class you were discussing about how to convert a decimal number into its equivalent binary number. So now in this class we'll discuss about its just opposite, which means in this class we're gonna learn about how to convert a binary number into its equivalent decimal number. So without any delay, let's start this video. So basically, guys, suppose I have a number like 1101 and I have to convert that binary number into its equivalent decimal number. So look at the first step very carefully. You have to write your binary number like this: 1 1 0 and 1. Okay, now you have to write to the power 0, then to the power 1, to the power 2 and to the power 3. Okay, now you know the values of these things. First of all, to the power 0 equals to 1, then to the power 1 equals to 2, to the power 2 equals to 4, then 8. Okay, now you have to multiply this results with these digits. Okay, you have to multiply it. So what we get: 1, then 0, then 4 and then 8. And now add these digits. What you get: 8 plus 4 plus 1 equals to what? Equals to 13. And this is the decimal equivalent of your given binary number. Okay, now I will take one more example for better understanding. Suppose I have a binary number like 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, now I have to write to the power 0, then to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 3, to the power 4 and to the power 5. Okay, now to the power 0 is 1, then 2, then 4, then 8 and then 16, then 32. Now I have to multiply these digits. Okay, so what I get: 0 here, 2 here, 4, 0 again, and after that 16 and 32. Now I have to simply add this number: 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. So after adding these digits, I got 54 is the decimal equivalent of given binary number. So as you see, it is a very simple process. You can simply convert your given binary number into its equivalent decimal number by following these steps. So thank you so much. See you in the next lecture.